Every once in a while, a film or series comes along that entertains people. And then there are stories that quietly change the way people look at life. In 2026, Musafir Cafe has become one of those stories. Across social media, viewers are not just discussing the characters or the endings. They are talking about the life lessons the series leaves behind. While these interpretations vary from person to person, here are 10 life lessons many viewers say resonated with them. 1. Everyone deserves personal space. स्टोरी में चंदर का कैरेक्टर दिखाया गया है as a sweet gentleman who meets this girl named Sudha and they both fall in love together. 8 years back, but now in present Chandar is with a girl named Preeti. The story beautifully projected in the two different timelines, once when Chandar was with Sudha and now when he is with Preeti. In the series, it is clearly shown that where Chandar respects Preeti's personal space, there Preeti also keeps a room empty for Chandar's past with Sudha. 2. Every commitment comes with sacrifices. The story at different timelines between different people highlighted the chemistry and how it has been developed on the basis of sacrifices. Where Chandar was sacrificing his family's dreams, there even his family understood the importance of personal choice, and same was in Sudha's case. Whether it's a relationship, career or family, every choice asks us to let go something else. The series show that every decision has a price. 3. Financial independence is non-negotiable. Story में दिखाया गया how Sudha took decisions keeping her career in center. Many viewers believe that story highlights an important reality. Emotional support matters, but financial independence gives people the freedom to make their own choices. 4. Never give up on your passion. स्टोरी में जहां सुधा करियर को इंपॉर्टेंस देती है, वहीं चंदर वॉज मोर टुवर्ड्स हिज पैशन. अपना खुद का कैफे खोलने का जुनून था चंदर को. Dreams don't come with an expiry date. Musafir Cafe suggests that even if life takes you in another direction, it's never too late to reconnect with what truly makes you happy. 5. Listen to understand, not just to reply. In the story, things gets confused and clustered when things were not heard or expressed with clarity. Then on the other hand, Musafir's Cafe's finest bread maker and Chandar and Preeti's uncle had a perfect chemistry with his partner because they chose themselves. 6. Make time for what truly matters. One of the most important lessons that Musafir Cafe teaches is that one should live in the moment. Sudha and Chandar had great moments together because they did not bounded themselves with the norms made by the society. Life gets busy, career becomes demanding, but the story reminds us that if we never make time for the people and things we love, we may eventually lose them. 7. Accept your partner's past. स्टोरी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात हाईलाइट करती है, दैट इज एक्सेप्टिंग योर पार्टनर्स पास्ट. इन मुसाफिर कैफे, प्रीति सेज कि उसने कभी कोशिश भी नहीं की चंदर की लाइफ से सुधा की मेमोरीज को या सुधा को रिप्लेस करने की. Everyone has a history. According to many viewers, the series encourages acceptance instead of judgment, showing that person's past does not always define their future. 8. A woman's dream can also be to take care of her own parents. Usually Indian society में females को, girls को हमेशा यही समझाया जाता है that her in-laws is her responsibility and they are her actual parents. But series में Sudha chose something very beautiful. She refutes the idea to just get married because she chose to take care of her mother, जिसे वो series में प्यार से मालकिन बुलाती है. One of the most discussed aspect of Musafir Cafe is how it challenges the traditional expectations. It reminds us that daughter's responsibility towards her parents is just as meaningful as sons. 9. Looking back does not always mean moving backwards. The series shows that Sudha visits the Musafir Cafe not with an intention to bring any ups and downs in Chandar's or Preeti's life, but to say a final goodbye. Sometimes revisiting old memories help us to heal, understand ourselves better and appreciate how we have grown. And finally, 10. Love cannot be confined by age or marriage certificate. स्टोरी में एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल कपल दिखाया गया है and they have a perfect chemistry, but they are not married and they happily claim that love is a habit and cannot be confined by contractual agreement. Also, they give a message कि प्यार की कोई उम्र नहीं होती. It can be at any age. Perhaps the biggest conversation around Musafir Cafe is that love is complex. It doesn't always follow society's timelines, expectations, or legal definitions. Sometimes people meet at wrong time, and sometimes love simply takes a different form. But perhaps, here what makes the Musafir Cafe special. The series doesn't tell people what to think, it simply tells a story and allows every viewer to find a different lesson with it. It's important to remember that these are viewers' interpretations and not officially stated message from 2Scoop. So the question in the end is, which lesson stayed with you the most? Tell us in comment section.